Chosenly is easily the best SEO for LLM software for B2B companies because it makes it just so easy to do the work. When setting up Chosenly, you can literally just connect your Google Search Console, dump your entire SEO strategy in it, and it knows what B2B companies should track. And it's just going to figure it out itself. Same when you're adding your personas, competitors, brand guidelines, you can just give it to us in any format and we'll make sure everything is ready to go. Chosenly also makes creating content super easy. It literally pre-groups all the prompts for you. It shows you exactly what LLMs are referencing today to generate their answers. It shows you what is it picking up from those links. It shows you if there is a page that you can just update versus creating a net new page. It just pulls it out for you. If you want to decide to create or edit a page, it shows you what good pages look like to LLMs, what is common between them. And again, you don't have to understand all of this. You can literally press a button and it's going to create a very good first draft of content for you that has structured content, snippets, sources. So you can just take this in your brand voice, edit and publish it directly. You can also make sure that other links that LLMs reference to generate their answers mention you. For that, Chosenly pre-groups these links. Now, let's say if I want to reach out to a listicle, it shows you exactly which listicles to prioritize, which to not. Whether if I open the listicle, read through it, will I see my company already mentioned there? Will I see my competitors being mentioned there? Then I can figure out exactly which person from that company reach out to and what their contact information is. This combined with the templates and playbooks we give you, make sure you can negotiate a placement success. As you create the content and do the reach outs, most links that LLMs will reference will mention your company, which means now you just need to make sure LLMs believe you are worth recommending, which means you got to focus on your positioning. And Chosen is the only tool that can help you with this. It maps out exactly what LLMs believe a good company like yours in your category looks like. It maps out every single criteria. It shows me for different personas who among you and your competitors are the top recommendation. If it feels like you are not the top recommendation today, it tells you exactly why, what are your competitors doing right so that you can then one up them, beat them for this. The other thing it can do is you and your competitors may highlight different things about the company. It maps out exactly what do each of your competitors highlight and you highlight. It shows you, hey, like what does it feel like you have and what you don't have, so that again you can then put this information on your website, on your different profiles across the internet, or you can also do PR with this. Now, in case you decide to do PR, we show you exactly what PR sites are being referenced today, so you can prioritize your PR strategy with that. It shows you exactly which competitor of yours did that PR, and so you can understand their strategy as well. The other part about positioning is we've discussed all the good stuff, then there's the negatives. Because LLMs often lie about your company. So what Chosenly can do is help you identify what these lies are and exactly were they picked up from, so that if they're on your own website, if it's an outdated content, you can just go ahead and fix it. If it's a third-party website, someone else's data, you can actually reach out to them, help them fix it. And if really needed, you can engage your legal teams for it. And finally, it helps you track everything. It shows you exactly what is your visibility, what is your average rank, how are you doing compared to your competitors. You can track the same thing month on month. How often do you get selected over your competitors? How often do LMs lie about you? And then how do all of these leading indicators map to actual results? For example, things like what is your traffic, distribution, conversions, what kind of searches do people do when they find your website, pages, regions, everything that you need to actually show management that, hey, this stuff works. Chosenly is the only tool that makes all of this and so much more so easy for B2B companies. So I hope you get to try the tool, use it for your company, see the results, and see just how amazing this SEO for LLMs channel could be for you.